everyone and welcome to the Techie Guy. In today's video we are going to be looking at some of the top features ClickFunnels 2.0 has got to offer. But first remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. So what is ClickFunnels 2.0? So, ClickFunnels is a software tool for creating simple sales websites, and ClickFunnels 2.0 is a total digital marketing game changer. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one service for entrepreneurs who don't want to use multiple confusing tools for different things. So with ClickFunnels, you can build a website, generate leads, make sales, grow your email list, and create a brand. Since ClickFunnels 2.0 this is a completely rewritten product, the new version will run as a separate platform from the already existing ClickFunnels 1.0, meaning that both versions will be available at the same time. What makes ClickFunnels 2.0 better than ClickFunnels 1.0? ClickFunnels 1.0 was mainly used to create a set of pages that would lead to a sale. ClickFunnels 2.0 is much more versatile and allows you to build your entire website in one place. Now let's look at some of the features of ClickFunnels 2.0 making it an unbeatable software in the world of digital marketing. Funnel Hub. The Funnel Hub is the main control panel from which you can easily and quickly manage all the pages and sales funnels you have created. You will be able to see and edit multiple funnels in one place, allowing you to manage them in a faster and more organized way. This will make it much easier to manage all your funnels. Sales Funnel Flows. It's now possible to easily visualize all the steps in each sales funnel, making it much easier to design and edit them. With this new feature you can create a step-by-step process for an individual funnel, just as if you were to design it manually. You can set multiple conditions for better customer experience. With this new built-in it allows you to build complex funnels with a simple-to-use user interface. Sales Funnel Stats. The Sales Funnel Stats will show you how many people are in each step of your funnel, which steps are the most popular, what's happening at each step, so you can improve conversions, and much more. This is really helpful when trying to optimize the conversion rate of any funnel. Universal Section. With the Universal Section you can easily apply changes to all pages at once, such as an entire menu, footer or header. You will no longer need to make duplicates of items for each page, which was one of the biggest drawbacks of previous versions Sales Funnel Builder. Blog Builder. Using the Blog Builder you can easily create blog posts that can be used to attract new visitors to your funnel. These blog posts will also serve as landing pages for your SEO campaigns. Page Templates. Page templates allow you to save custom page designs and later apply them whenever you need, allowing you to make changes more quickly without getting too involved in the details of the page. Customer Center. You can now easily organize all your customers from a single location, which is a major improvement over previous versions. Here you can track and email subscribers or send them for a one-on-one chat or video call with an advisor. E-commerce Site Builder. The new e-commerce site builder allows you to easily design and manage an e-commerce store from one place. You will be able to choose from several templates, but the real power here is that you can combine those templates using features such as page layers to create a unique layout for your products. Global Products. Global products allow you to create a product once and then use them in many funnels. You can sell the same product in multiple different ways, using upsells, downsells, cart add-ons or cart discounts. With only one purchase from you they will get access to all your offers. Shopping Cart Builder. Shopping Cart Builder allows you to design an entire shopping cart, including checkout pages and confirmation emails. You will be able to sell physical or digital products using upsells, downsells, cart offers etc. It can also be connected with third-party software, such as PayPal. Team Collaboration. Collaborating on your team will be much easier with the new version of ClickFunnels. Multiple people can now work on a page at once. This also allows for smoother collaboration between marketers, designers and developers. Follow-up Funnels 2.0 and Email Workflows. Follow-up funnels allow you to easily create sales sequences that address your prospects from the moment they subscribe until they buy. You can also create email workflows for your subscribers so you can contact them repeatedly without ever being too spammy. With this new feature, you will be able to add a timer showing how many days, hours and minutes are left before a specific offer expires. Membership Sites 2.0. With ClickFunnels software, you can now create membership sites that will allow you to charge your customers recurring payments. It will also allow you to set up a content depository and an affiliate program. This is perfect for memberships such as online courses, webinars, etc. The possibilities are practically endless. Real-time Analytics 2.0. Real-time analytics show you not only how many people are in each step of your funnel, it also shows you which steps have the most traffic and where there might be a bottleneck. You can use this information to optimize conversions, but you can also use it to find out what's working and what isn't so that you can improve your sales funnels. This great feature lets you split testing your landing page, upsell flow and different pages to fully optimize your conversion rate. CRM funnels. Finally, you can now use the CRM funnels to create a contact management system inside ClickFunnels. You will be able to follow up with leads and customers, close deals and resolve customer issues from one central location. With this addition, you will be able to collect much more data about your leads and customer relationships, which can then be used to target them better. CRM funnels are the internal workflows inside ClickFunnels 2.0 for converting prospects into customers using our new custom CRM funnels, follow up, close deals, and support your customers. To sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0 today, click on the link in the description of this video and start using ClickFunnels 2.0 today. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe, click on the notification bell, leave a comment and share this video. See you in the next video.